Hi guys, my name is Dan. So today I'm going to read All About Kites, written by Elizabeth Austin, also by Maria Vorst. First question: over the years, how have kites, or what we have learned from kites, help people? Well, kites come in many kinds of uses, and I think it will take a bit too long to talk about it. So let's just skip the part and read a story to find out our answer. What's to know? Brutal, diplomat, elaborate, fisher, instruments, inventor, legends, shock, temperatures. Introduction. A few things are spread as energetic as the sky filled with colorful dancing kites. Each design is competing for your attention, long tailed dragons, spinning metallic stars, and favorite cartoon characters. Kites are no longer just simple tools. Modern aerodynamic materials and engineering techniques make new kite designs bigger, lighter, and stronger and allow them to perform like aerial acrobats. History of kites. Thousands of years ago, the first story kites were named after the kite bird, a large graceful bird with, with a very wide wingspan. In imitation, many early bird kites were shaped like birds, but people continually experimented with kite designs. Slowly, kites became increasingly elaborate and took on identifiable characteristics and consistent flight patterns. There's a very early records of kite flying in Chinese history. The first known story of kite flying is over 2,200 years old. According to this story, the Chinese Zhou Hsin had figured out how far he could tunnel under his enemy's walls. He used a kite to measure the distance. Chinese legends also describe the philosophers Mozi and Liu Bian developing a kite that lifted Liu Bian into the air. Some kites have made history. The famous American diplomat and inventor Ben Franklin loved testing ideas. He used a kite to prove his idea that lightning was made of electric current. On a stormy day, he and his son tied a metal key to a kite string and flew their kite high into storm clouds. Just as he predicted, electricity from the clouds ran down the wet string to the metal key. When he reached toward the key, the electricity jumped from the key and gave him a shock. Warning: don't try this experiment. When Franklin tried it again, he was hurt badly. Unusual uses for kites. Fishing. Fish like to chase things in the water. To reach fish that swim far from shore, some people attach a shiny red fish hook to the long tail of a kite. The airborne kite skips the bait through the water so the fish can see it, bite it, and be caught and reeled in. Weather charts. For years, scientists used especially built box kites to carry delicate weather instruments aloft to try and record wind speeds, and air temperatures. Real wind power. Long-distance cargo ships burn large amounts of fuel and contribute to air pollution. One German shipping company is experimenting with special kites to help reduce both problems. The big kite helps pull a ship so the ship's engines will burn less fuel every day. As you burn less fuel, the amount of air pollution the engines produce will also be reduced. Not all spies are well-trained human snoops. For years, armies attached small, powerful cameras to kites to fly over and spy on enemy locations. Army have also used kites for shooting practice. These special kites could twist and dive, dodging bullets and intimidating the evasive moves of military fighter planes. Watching kites sail lightly through the sky still makes everyone smile, just as watching the kite bird did long ago. With a little practice, almost everyone can assemble a kite and learn to fly. One day, you may want to test your new kite handling skills with multiple string stunt kites. Or you may want to participate in an extreme kite sport, such as kite surfing, where a big power kite pulls your surfboard. Make your own kite. You'll need two lightweight smooth sticks, one 3 feet 90 centimeters long, the other 2 feet 60 centimeters. A large plastic trash bag cut open. Also a lightweight cloth or plastic for the tail. Scissors, strong tape, a very long string. Step 1. Form a cross shape with the sticks. Wrap tape around the sticks where they meet. Step 2. Cut off a 4 foot 120 centimeters piece of string. Tape each end of the string to each end of the long stick. This string is called the bridle. Tie one end of the rest of string to the middle of the bridle. Step 3. Lay the cross on the open plastic bag. Cut a diamond shape around it. Make sure to cut the diamond shape wider than the ends of the sticks. Step 4. Fold the corners of the diamond over the ends of the sticks. Tape the corners tightly to the sticks. Step 5. For a tail, tape a strip of cloth or plastic to the bottom of the kite. Kite safety. Remember to choose an open, safe place to fly a kite. Don't fly a kite near power lines, keep away from trees, roads, and airports. Don't fly a kite in the rain or when you feel thunder. Be sure nothing is on the ground to trip over. When it is time to test your first kite, pick a breezy day and take it to a flood open area. If the beach, if one is nearby, look around you to be sure there are no power lines or big trees to tangle your kite. Make sure there is nothing on the ground you could trip over. Right to start, hold the kite up by the barrel and run into the wind. When you feel it tug like a kite, let out a little string slowly until you feel the wind pulling your kite. Keep letting out more string until your kite is flying high. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.